everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, we're checking out the 2025 BYD E2, an affordable all-electric hatchback that's making waves with its mix of tech, practicality, and style. Let's dive in. First off, design. The 2025 E2 has gotten a subtle refresh. Sleek LED headlights, a clean front fascia, and a floating roof design give it a modern, sporty look. It's compact, yes, but far from basic. Inside, it's all about simplicity with smarts. The cabin features a 12.8-inch rotating touchscreen, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get voice commands that actually work. Think of it as your digital co-pilot. Quality's decent for the price. Soft touch materials in the right places, decent space for 4 adults, and a 345-liter trunk, perfect for city life. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, you've got a 43.2 kilowatt-hour blade battery paired with a 70 kilowatts motor, giving you around 95 horsepower and 180 newton-meters of torque. Not lightning fast, but zippy enough for urban driving. Range. You're looking at about 405 kilometers on the CLTC cycle. Real world. Expect around 300 to 350 kilometers, which is still impressive for a budget-friendly EV. Charging from 30 to 80% takes about 30 minutes with DC fast charging. Plug it in overnight at home, and you're good to go by morning. So, who's the 2025 BYD E2 for? Urban commuters, first-time EV buyers, or anyone who wants a tech-packed car without breaking the bank. It's not flashy, but it's smart, efficient, and surprisingly fun. If you enjoyed this quick review, hit that like button and subscribe for more EV content. Got questions about the E2? Drop them in the comments below.